How can we recycle and separate these aluminum plastic, composite materials in an environmentally friendly way? Many people don't know how to deal with these aluminum solid wastes. In view of the huge market demand, Dixon Environmental Protection Equipment Co., Ltd. has developed an aluminum plastic separation equipment production line through the research and development, testing and continuous improvement of technicians. There are several single machines connected and combined, including shredder, fine crusher, electrostatic separator, air separator, post-dust collector, vortex vibrating screen, and equipped with air cooling, water cooling, control panel, etc. The connected pipe fittings are all under negative pressure. The whole process is pollution-free, simple to operate and stable in performance, which is the necessary equipment for aluminum plastic separation industry at present. Sure Origin Machinery Company is a professional manufacturer of aluminum plastic separator. Welcome to consult.